Hello, I'm Richard Clemmy, Managing Director at Smiths Bletchington. At Smiths, health and safety is our top priority. If you see anything unsafe during your visit today, please stop and contact a member of staff. Now please watch and listen carefully to the following induction video, which will make your visit safer today. Thank you very much for watching and stay safe.
Welcome to Gill Mill Quarry, the Smiths Bletchington flagship unit. Smiths Gill Mill management structure. Please take note of the important points of contact that can assist your safety today. When driving down the main entry road to the operation, please adhere to the 25 mph speed limit. Be aware of passing pedestrians over the Windrush Walk zebra crossing. The PPE requirements for Gill Mill Quarry are safety helmet, full high visibility clothing, laced safety boots, safety gloves and safety glasses where required. On approaching the operational area, the speed limit drops from 25 mph to 15 mph. At this point, please also engage your flashing beacon. The beacon is to be operational while travelling around the site at all times. To avoid dazzling loading shovel operators, the beacon may be turned off while waiting and being loaded, and then re-engaged. Follow the two-way traffic routes to join the weighbridge entrance adjacent to the quarry office. Please note the locations of both TT Concrete and AWBS operations. To the left, you will see the Smiths Bletchington vehicle parking bay. This is used for Smiths vehicles to park overnight. For small collect hauliers and vehicles, please ensure you engage your beacon or hazard lights and apply a buggy whip flag to your vehicle. This is essential to offer increased visibility to heavy plant. To receive further instructions, a visitor booklet, induction or use of the haulier welfare facilities, please park in the lay-by ahead of the weighbridge. Please note the location of the fire muster point on the grass island near the main quarry office. In the event of a fire, the management team will issue an alert to all operators to contact hauliers to immediately report to the muster point. On exiting the cab, please ensure 3 points of contact. En route to the main quarry office, use the approved, clearly designated pedestrian access route. Again, 3 points of contact is crucial in office environments. On reporting to the weighbridge office, the weighbridge clerk or member of the supervisory management team can issue further instructions and the visitor's booklet. Now, time to tear off before progressing to be loaded. While travelling around the site, be aware of heavy plant movements. As we can see here, a minor near miss. Wagon washing procedure. The wagon washing access platform is to be used to safely clean your wagon, loosen and clear material from the wagon body. On accessing the platform, ensure all gates are securely closed. Remove pin from ladder staircase and steadily drop ladders into the wagon body using the winch system. Engage water supply and release hose, Then use ladders to safely access the wagon body. With water pressure in the hose, squeeze the hose fitting to release the high pressure stream of clean water to clean the wagon body. Once cleaning is complete, maintain 3 points of contact while climbing the ladders. Reel in the hose, disengage water supply and fix the hose in place, and finally raise the ladders via the winch system. Once the ladders are raised, the gate mechanism will allow access off the platform. Please ensure all gates are securely closed. Here you can see the location of the AdBlue storage, off-highway gas oil and on-highway diesel storage. Following the one-way traffic route around the main plant, you will see the various product locations Gill Mill Quarry has to offer. If you require the Merchant Bay products, please follow the clearly indicated arrow on screen. If your collection or delivery load is located in the recovery operation, recycling area or Area 13 stocking region, or you require the wagon parking zone, please proceed ahead. At this branch section, continue straight ahead for the wagon parking area and recovery tipping operation. Back at the branch section, turn left for the recycling area. At this point, use the left-hand access route for recycled product loading or collections, with access to the quarry office, and the right-hand access route for recycled waste deliveries or tipping off. Please note the key dry recycling products located on the right-hand side of the wagon. At this point, there are 3 routes available: right to the wash recycling plant, straight ahead to Area 13 stocking area, which includes various recycled and virgin plant products, and left to the further stockpiles and access to the main plant and weighbridge. Please see the 2-way traffic system around the wash recycling plant. You will also see the product discharge locations. Returning to the 3 access routes, continue straight ahead for the Area 13 stocking location. Please note again the 2-way traffic routes. Vehicle loading. Now to receive the load. When being loaded with material, please follow the indicated alignment of your wagon to the stockpile and loading shovel. Once the horn and acknowledgement from the loading operator is received, please slowly pull away destined for the weighbridge. Vehicle tipping. When tipping, ensure all ground conditions are clear, firm and level to allow safe tipping. Please also follow this important visual aid to indicate the exclusion zone as the wagon body raises to full height to release the material. Never proceed with tipping if a machine, wagon or pedestrian is within this area while the body is raised. Furthermore, ensure your seatbelt is engaged and under no circumstances leave the vehicle cab while the body is still raised. En route to the weighbridge, remain vigilant for heavy plant or pedestrian movements, taking into account the weather conditions and driving appropriately. Use of the wheel wash is essential to ensure the public road and haul road are kept safe, clean and clear from debris. Please enter steadily to allow the water jets to fully and efficiently remove debris from the vehicle. Proceed onto the weighbridge and receive the product ticket from the weighbridge clerk, ensuring the vehicle weight is compliant against highway and the vehicle weight regulations. Also at this point, drivers are encouraged to report and record any unsafe conditions or behaviours via the near-hit reporting form. This can be completed by a Smiths Company driver or a member of the site staff for contract and collect haulage. If the sheeting bay is required, please enter following the one-way traffic route and access up onto the sheeting platform. In no conditions can the loaded wagon body be accessed without appropriate risk assessment and edge protection. Proceed down the main haul route adhering to speed and traffic restrictions. Before finally leaving site, take note of the Highway HGV control protocol, which stipulates HGVs must only turn right. Thank you for your attention. If you have any further queries, please ask a member of staff or the management team. Smiths Bletchington, managing the land for construction materials.